Hello and welcome to PHP MySQL web development course for beginners. In this course, you will learn from basic to advanced concept of PHP and MySQL development. After completion of this course, you will be able to develop robust applications using PHP and MySQL. There are no prerequisites for this course and you will learn everything from scratch. So let us start. So first, let us learn about some basic concepts. So what is internet? Everybody knows about internet nowadays. So internet is a network of networks that consist of millions of private, public, academic, business and government networks. And it serves billion of users worldwide web like for voice over IP, newspaper publishing, blogging, social networks, and other web applications. Next, what is World Wide Web? World Wide Web is a collection of interconnected documents and other resources. And what is HTTP? HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. But what is a hyperlink? A hyperlink is a reference to a document that reader can directly follow, and a hypertext is displayed hypertext document. And what is a hypertext document? And a hypertext document is a text displayed with references or hyperlinks to other text that reader can immediately access. Hypertext transfer protocol is a protocol that is used to transfer hypertext documents from server to client. Now, what is a server and what is a client? Let us look in the next slide. So let's look what is a request response model and a client server. So normally in HTTP, the web browsers or spiders or crawlers typically act as clients, while an application running on a computer hosting a website or a web application act as a server. In request response model, a client sends a request to a server and the server responds back with a response. For a dynamic web application, we need to use a server-side programming languages with a database management system. Some of the popular server-side languages are Java, ASP.NET, Python, Ruby on Rails, and PHP. The DBMS that are mostly used with these server-side languages are MariaDB, SQL Server, PostgreSQL, and Oracle. There are others as well, and these all are relational database management system, while the NoSQL database management systems like MongoDB are also very popular. As in this course, we are going to use PHP and why PHP is popular among web developers. PHP is open source and it can be used with Linux, Apache Web Server, and MySQL DBMS. This stack is called LAMP, Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP, and all of these technologies are open source. It means that we don't have to pay a license fee to use them. Another reason why PHP is popular that it is extremely used for small, medium, and enterprise level applications. We can develop server-side applications, any command line scripts, or even the desktop application using PHP GTK. And PHP is available for Windows, Linux, or Mac operating systems. PHP can be used with many web servers like Apache or IIS. And PHP supports many relational and non-relational databases like MySQL, Oracle, MS SQL, PostgreSQL, and MongoDB. And it has a built-in support for XML, regular expression, mathematical functions, services like LDAP and POP. Let us see some popular companies on the internet that are using PHP. So these includes Facebook, Yahoo, Wikipedia, Dig.com, SourceForge, Flickr, and Tumblr. And lastly, WordPress, that is most popular blogging system that is developed in PHP. To install PHP on your system, normally WAMP or XAMPP softwares are used. In order to work with PHP, you would need a web server like Apache, server-side language that will be PHP, a database management system like MySQL or MariaDB, and some software to perform database operations like PHPMyAdmin or Beekeeper or SQL Yog. So WAMP or XAMPP, this software provides us all of these required software to start PHP development locally. Let us install PHP, MySQL, Apache, and PHPMyAdmin using WAMP on our system. Open the browser and visit the website wampserver.com. Go to the download section and click on this link and click on you can download it directly. You will be redirected to the SourceForge website. It will start downloading WAMP server. So once the WAMP server is downloaded, so if you're using any other operating system, download an appropriate software like MAMP or XAMPP on your system. Installation is successful. In the Start menu, type WAMP and click on WAMP Server 64. This will start the backend services required WAMP to run. In the system tray, you can see WAMP server icon that is turned green. So the green color means that Apache and MySQL server services are running successfully. Three options to start all the services like Apache and MySQL, stop the services and restart all the services. Let us open web server homepage. In the browser address bar, type localhost and click enter. And this is local web server homepage, and over here Apache, MySQL, MariaDB and PHP are installed. We can also see server configuration over here and the loaded extensions for PHP. There is a link to PHPMyAdmin that we can use to manage our databases. We will write the default username as root without any password and click go. This is PHPMyAdmin that is used vastly by PHP web developers. We can create and manage databases very easily. So this brings us to the end of this video. In this video, we learned how to install WAMP server locally. From next video, we will start PHP and MySQL web development. If you want to read tutorials on latest technologies, please visit our blog programmerblog.net and do like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and bye.